as the holy month of Ramadan comes, I sincerely wish my dear Pakistani brothers and sisters, Ramadan Mubarak. Right now, it is in a very challenging moment. The whole Pakistani nation is fighting against the spread of the coronavirus. During this moment, the Chinese government and the Chinese people, as well as the Chinese community in Pakistan, are extending all the possible assistance and support for this fight against the virus. We have provided millions of PPEs and other equipment for the Pakistani government and the Pakistani people. Several medical teams from China are working along with your doctors and the nurses in containing this virus. I pay my tribute to the sacrifice and the efforts by the Pakistani government and the people at this critical moment. I believe under the able leadership of Prime Minister Imran Khan and the government of Pakistan, Pakistan as well as its nation will finally overcome the challenge. Here, I would like to once again present my sincere and the best wishes to the whole Pakistan nation. I wish a healthy, safe, and happy Ramadan ahead. Thank you.